Hey, this is Mr. Barr, and this IXL deals with classifying numbers. And you can notice right here I have my number sets so I can refer back to them. I recommend that you get your number set guide out as you do this. So which of the following describes the number 7.18? Well, that is, let's come over here. It's a decimal, a terminating decimal. Rational are repeating decimals and terminate. So that's a rational, but it's also a real, because if I start with rational, I know I fall down into the other number sets also, so it's also a real number. So I would say rational and real are the two I want to use. So rational and real. There we go. Okay, our next one is 10.444 repeating a whole number. Well, whole numbers, look over here. Whole numbers don't have any decimals in them, so it's not a whole number. Let's see. Natural numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's not a natural. That's a natural right there. No, that's rational. That guy's an integer. Irrational numbers. Irrationals are things like pi, square root of 2, square root of non-perfect squares like square root of 13, square root of 18, non-repeating infinite decimals that go on forever. So definitely pi and square root of 3. Those are the two irrationals. Rational numbers. Let's see. Rationals are fractions. And which of the following are rationals? Okay, let's see. This guy 4, he's a natural number, correct? But since he's natural, that means he's also all these other guys, right? So this is going to be one I'm going to use. 0, well, 0 starts off as a whole number, but he's also, does he go down through the rationals? Yep, so he's a rational one also. This guy, he's rational. Square root of 6. Now, square root of 6, is square root of 6 rational? No, square root of 6 is irrational. Okay, so let's get those guys. That was yes, and that's irrational. Is this guy irrational? No, he's rational. Look, he belongs down here in the fractions. Is it irrational? No, it's not irrational. Which of the following is a natural number? Naturals are things like 1, 2, 3, 4. That'd be this guy right here. Which of the following describes 6 over 7? Well, he's rational. He's rational. Is he an integer? No, integers don't have any fractions. Is he a real number? Oh, he's real. Yes, he's real. Why is he real? Well, let's look at why he's real. Right here, if he's rational, he falls down and he's also real. So is he real? Yes, he's also real. So he's real. He's not integer, though. There we go. 8. Well, 8 is a natural number, but it's also everything else, isn't it? If the number 8, so the number 8 would be right in here, which means he's natural, but he's also whole. He goes all the way down to the other ones too. So is he an integer? Yep. Is he a natural? Yep. Is he a real? Yep. Is he a rational? Yep. He's everything. He's awesome like that. Let's select everything. Awesome. Square root of 2. No, that guy's over here. He's right here. He's irrational. Are you whole? No, you're an irrational. Let's see. Which of the following are natural numbers? Naturals are 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the only natural up there. Which of the following is an integer? Integers. What are integers? Are the negatives. And then the guys below that. So I'm looking at, what am I looking at? I'm starting here. Ooh, why am I not drawing? I'm not drawing. So I'm still not drawing. Not drawing. Integers, rationals, and real. So this guy, negatives. Have any negatives? No. Which of the following is an integer? You know, I'm thinking this backwards. 0 would be right here, right? Nope, 0. Clear this out. Clear all. Let's start again. Let's start with this fraction guy. This fraction guy would be down here. Are rationals integers? No. So it's not this one. It's not this guy. This guy is irrational. 0. Is 0 an integer. Well, if 0 falls down, does he fall through the integers? Yes, he's an integer. And this is a repeating decimal. He would start right here. So this guy, no, he's rational. So I think it's just the 0. Let's try just the 0. I even confused myself on that one. Submit. There we go. Real numbers. Everything's a real number. They're all real. Is it an integer? No, it's a rational. 98 is natural, whole, rational, not irrational. Okay, I think you get the idea of this. I don't know how many IXLs you're doing tonight, but you're going to do this one and maybe something else. And I got to remember that you're... Oh, you can't see me on this one. I don't have the screen capture video thing going. Hey, oh well. Hey, that's it. Stop. Bye-bye.